Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we are going to be talking about Walgreens. And man, do we have tons and tons of awesome deals going on at Walgreens this week. We have a lot of really good coupon matchups. We have freebies, glitches, and money makers. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick reminder to go ahead and check your Walgreens accounts for your weekly spend booster for next week. I checked mine today and I received a spend 50, get back $10 in Walgreens cash. Alright, now let's go ahead and jump right into the deals. So first up, we have an awesome deal on the Nexus finishing sprays. Now you guys want to try to do this as a pickup order unless they are really nice at your store and will price match. So if you pick up 2 of the Nexus finishing sprays, they're priced at $11.99. We have 2 5-off-1 digital coupons, so that is going to leave you paying $13.98 out of pocket. But you're going to get back $10 in Walgreens cash because we did spend $20 on Nexus products. But then the deal gets even better because you want to double check and make sure that you have this rebate on your Fetch Rewards account. On mine, I have $7 back when you purchase 2 Nexus products. So that is going to make your final price completely free plus a $3.02 moneymaker, and that is without any spin boosters at all. Alright, now next up, we received this 2-off-1 digital coupon for the Old Spice or Olay gift sets. So if you want to pick up one of the Old Spice gift sets, those are priced at $10. Use that 2-off-1 digital coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $8. But right now on Ibotta, we also have a $2 rebate, so that's going to make your final price just $6. Now, if you would rather pick up the Olay gift set instead, those are also priced at $10. Use that 2-off-1 digital coupon. That's going to leave you paying $8. But on Ibotta, we have a $5 rebate back on those. That's going to make your final price just $3. Now, we also have an in-store promotion this week for when you purchase 2 participating personal care gift sets, you're going to receive back a $4 register reward. Now, I know for a fact that the Old Spice is included, but I'm not so sure on the Olay. So if anybody knows, let us know down in the comment section below. So if you guys want to pick up 2 of the Old Spice, those are priced at $10 each. Use that 2-off-1 digital coupon. That's going to leave you paying $18, and you can use Walgreens cash or register rewards to lower your out-of-pocket. Then you're going to get back that $4 register reward, and then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta and get $4 back. That's going to make your final price $10 for both gift sets. Now, while we're on the topic of gift sets, I wanted to go ahead and mention this little deal right here because I think these make great little stocking stuffer gifts. We have a promotion for when you spend $20 on the Burt's Bees gift sets, you're going to get back $5 in Walgreens cash rewards. Alright, now next up we have another little spin deal, and I actually already did this one this week as a pickup order. So whenever you spend $25 on Schick razors this week, you're going to get back $10 in Walgreens cash rewards. So for this deal, you want to pick up one of the Schick Hydro men's razors at $9.99, one of the Schick Extreme men's razors at $8.79, and then one of the Schick Hydro Silk women's tools at $6.99. That's going to put your subtotal at $25.77. And then we have a 3-off-1 digital coupon for each of those products. So that's going to leave you paying $16.77 out of pocket. Now, if you do this in store, you can use register rewards to lower your out of pocket, but you do not want to use Walgreens cash on this deal, because this is a spin deal. So we're going to get back $10 in Walgreens cash for spending $25, and that's going to make our final price $6.77 for all 3 items. But this deal gets even better because right now on Ibotta, we have a $1 rebate back on the Schick Hydro razors. So that is going to make your final price $5.77 for all 3 items. Now, if you guys are out there doing some Ibotta deals this week, here's another really easy one. We have the Dial Foaming Hand Wash Concentrated Refills. So these are priced at $5.99. We have a 2-off-1 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $3.99. But right now on Ibotta, we have a $2 rebate, so that is going to make your final price just $1.99. Alright, next up we have a 3-off-1 digital coupon for the Gold Bond lotions. Now this one is priced at $4.49, so after the coupon you're going to pay $1.49. But right now on Ibotta we have a $1.50 rebate, so that is going to make your final price completely free. Now, we do have several other lotions that are working with this 3-off-1 digital coupon. However, I cannot confirm that they are all working with the Ibotta rebate. The only one that I have tried so far and been able to find at my stores was the one priced at $4.49. So if anybody else knows or have any other information, please leave it in the comment section down below. Now, also keep in mind that we do have a 2-off-1 digital coupon for the Gold Bond lotions as well. So even without the Ibotta rebate, it makes it a super cheap item and a great filler item if you guys are doing a spend deal. All right, next up, we have the Vitafusion gummies. These are priced at $15.99, but they're on sale this week. Buy one, get one half off. So pick up two. That's going to put you at $23.98, and we have a 10 off 2 digital coupon. So that's going to leave you paying $13.98, and you can use Walgreens cash or register rewards to pay. And then this deal gets even better because right now on Ibotta, we have a $3 rebate. So you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta and get $6 back, and that's going to make your final price $7.98 for two, making those $3.99 each. All right, next up, we have to talk about some super high value coupons, and this deal dropped yesterday, so just in case you guys haven't gotten in on it yet, I do believe it is still working, but we are seeing some conflicting reports out there. So if you were lucky enough to get these coupons on your account, here's what you want to do. You want to pick up the Oral-B IO Series electric toothbrush. These are on sale right now for $59.94. After the coupon, that's going to leave you paying $19.94, but they are on a spend promotion right now for when you spend $50, you're going to get back $15 in Walgreens cash. So that's going to make your final price just $4.94. Now, if you can't find the one that is priced at $59, go ahead and pick up the one that is priced at $49.94. Use that 40 off 1 digital coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $9.94. All right, now next up, I received a $15 off 1 digital coupon for the Oral-B refills. Now, some of these are priced at $29.99. If you want to pick up one of those, use that coupon. That's going to leave you paying $14.99. And then we also have some that are priced at $19.99. So pick up one of those, use that coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $4.99. All right, now I also received a $15 off 1 digital coupon for the Crest white strips. Now this one is definitely a glitch because it does exclude these particular white strips right here that are priced at $19.99, but the coupon is still working. So if you want to pick up those, use that coupon. That's going to make your final price just $4.99. Now, a couple of quick things on these coupons. These did just drop yesterday, so I know that there are still products out there and available. I did check on my Walgreens app. There are a few stores around me, not very close, but there are still stores out there that have those in stock. I know that some people were having issues with getting those coupons to attach in store, so you may have to do those as a pickup order if you can find the product, or in my case, my store did not have them in stock, so I did a free ship to store order. Now, I'm also going to point you guys in the direction of our awesome friend Michelle from It's My Own Identity. If you guys are not already subscribed to her, you definitely need to go and check out her YouTube channel. She covers everything Walgreens, and she knows Walgreens inside and out. And I did see that she posted a video about these specific deals yesterday, so make sure that you go and check that out, and I'll have it linked for you in the pinned comment down below. All right, guys, now from here on out, we're just going to go over some really good coupon matchups, and keep in mind that a lot of these do not expire until the end of December, so you guys still have a couple of weeks to get these deals. So if you want to pick up the Olay, these are on sale, buy one, get one half off, and we have a 10 off 2 digital coupon. You can pick up two that are priced at $9.99. That's going to put you at $14.98. After the coupon, that's going to leave you paying $4.98 for two, making those $2.49 each. Now, you can also pick up the ones that are priced at $7.99. Those are also on sale, buy one, get one half off. So after the coupon, that's going to leave you paying $1.98 for two, making those 99 cents each. All right, next up, we have a 2 off 1 digital coupon for the Garnier Fructis products. So these are priced at $3.79. After the coupon, that's going to leave you paying $1.79. We also have a 2 off 1 digital coupon for the Carol's Daughter products. So if you want to pick up the leave-in conditioners, those are priced at $2.99. After the coupon, you're going to pay 99 cents. All right, next up, we have a 5 off 2 digital coupon for the Tresemme products. So if you want to pick up the 4.2 ounce hairsprays, these are priced at $2.79 each. After the coupon, you're going to pay 94 cents for two, making those 47 cents each. All right, now next up, we have a 3 off 1 digital coupon for the Shea Moisture hair care products, and there are a lot of these items on clearance right now for $3.79, $3.49, $3.29, even $2.99. So with that 3 off 1 digital coupon, that makes it super, super cheap, or even possibly free for you. Now, also, keep in mind that there are more Shea Moisture products that are on clearance right now that are not showing up in the app. So, a couple of weeks ago, I did upload a Walgreens clearance video going over all kinds of stuff that is on clearance right now. So, I'll have that video linked for you in the pinned comment down below. You might see a Shea Moisture item in that video that is at your store, but it is unmarked clearance. If you find any of those items that you've seen in videos or posted on Instagram or Facebook, pick up that item, take it up to the register, and ask them to price check it for you. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals. All right, now next up, we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon for the Dove hair care products. These are on sale this week, 2 for $8. So after the coupon, that's going to leave you paying $5 for two. Next up, we have the L'Oreal Elvive shampoos and conditioners. These are on sale this week, 2 for $9. And we have a 5 off 2 manufacturer coupon plus a 2 off 2 IVC coupon. So that's going to leave you paying $2 for two. All right, now next up, this is an awesome deal that is still going on. We have the Nivea tins. They're priced at $1.29 each, but they're on sale. Buy one, get one half off. So pick up two. That's going to put you at $1.93, and you're going to get back $3 in Walgreens cash for purchasing two. So that's going to make your final price completely free plus a $1.07 moneymaker. And I know a lot of you guys are out there saying, hey, my store is already out of stock, but don't give up on this just yet, because I was that person saying, hey, my store is out of stock. I will never find this deal. And sure enough, I walked in to do my pickup order, and there they were. Alright guys, now I don't want this video to be too awfully long, so we're going to skim over a few of these deals really quick. We have some really good makeup deals right now with sales, clearance items, and high value coupons, so double check and see what y'all have on your accounts. Next up, we have this Suave men's deodorant on clearance right now for $1.92. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.17. Then we also still have the Walgreens brand panty liner deal. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.98 for two. All right, next up, we have the Gillette Pro Shave Gels. These are priced at $6.99, but they're on sale. Buy one, get one half off. And we have a 5 off 2 digital coupon, so that's going to be paying $5.48 for two. And here's another really good deal. We have the Gillette Foam Shave Gels. These are priced at $3.29 on sale. Buy one, get one half off. And we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon, so that's going to be paying $1.93 for two. And of course, don't forget about those Christmas card coupons. We have 3 off 1 coupons, 2 off 1 coupons, and we have Christmas cards that are priced at $3.99 or $3.59. So awesome, awesome deals, super cheap or free, and a great filler item for your spend deals. All right, next up, we have a nice little glitch here on the Oral-B 30 count floss picks. These are priced at $1, and we have that 2 off 1 digital coupon that's taking off $1, making this item completely free. And here is another glitch. So if you can find the Aunt Jemima syrups, these are priced at $1 each, and we have a 1 off 2 digital coupon. So pick up 2 of those, use that coupon. That's going to be paying $1 for 2, making those 50 cents each. Alright guys, now again, I don't want this video to be too awfully long, so I'm going to let these last few coupon matchups just scroll across your screen here, because I do still want to share them with you. I just don't want this video to end up being 30 minutes long. But while you guys are checking out these coupon matchups, I'm going to go ahead and give you all a little heads up that over the next few weeks, I will be taking a step back from making so many YouTube videos. I will still be posting a few here and there, just not as much, so I wanted to go ahead and give you all a little heads up on that. That way nobody's worried, hey, where did this girl go? Why did she disappear? Any of that stuff. But, you know, we've got Christmas, we've got New Year's, the kiddos are going to be out of school, and I'm still not even done with all my Christmas shopping, so y'all let me know if you're with me on that one down in the comments. But yeah, we've got a lot of exciting new things happening in 2023, so I just wanted to go ahead and take a little break, take some time off, get refreshed, get caught up on everything. That way, when 2023 rolls around, we will be up and ready to go. So, you guys make sure that you are subscribed, turn on your notifications, follow me over on Instagram. I'm going to have all that information for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright, now here's a quick look at the transactions that I've done so far. Here is just a clearance transaction. We have the Neutrogena shampoos. Those are on clearance for $2.49. We have the Clear Care items. Those were $1.39 and 88 cents each. Then we have the Shea Moistures. Those were $3.79. And then we have the Walgreens brand toilet paper. Those are on sale this week for $1.99. Alright, now here's another transaction that I did, and this one was actually a pickup order, and I did use my spend 20, get back $5 in Walgreens cash rewards. So out of pocket was $6.55, but I did get back $5 in Walgreens cash plus $1.50 on Ibotta, so that made my final price just 6 cents. And then I also did the Schick razor deal as a pickup order using a spend 20, get back $5 in Walgreens cash spend booster. So after my Walgreens cash and my Ibotta rebate, that made my final price just 77 cents. Alright guys, so that's all I have for y'all so far on Walgreens, but if y'all are looking for even more deals, make sure that you go back and check out my Dollar General videos. We have some really awesome deals over there this week. We have a one-day only sale coming up on Friday. We have 90% off clearance plus a ton of awesome coupon matchups. So make sure that you go and check out those videos, and I will have them all linked for you in the pinned comment down below. And before you go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.